Good morning, children. Today I teach you about spinal cord within the topic control and coordination in animals. Spinal cord, it is a spinal cord. Spinal cord is a extension of medulla oblongata. Extension of medulla oblongata. It comes out from the cranium, comes from the cranium through a aperture called foramen magnum. Foramen magnum is present in the cranium cavity. This is a cranium. It is brain box where brain is situated. The hole is present in this place, which is called foramen magnum. Next point, spinal cord is a long cylindrical, about 45 centimeter long. It is extended from the medulla oblongata to the west region. Spinal cord, it is highly delicate structures. Therefore, it is protected by the cerebral column. It is called vertebral column. So, it is also protected from three meninges. These meninges is called dura mater, pia mater, and ancoid. These are surrounded outwardly through the spinal cord, like the brain. Brain also protected by the three meninges, dura mater, pia mater, and ancoid. Between these space of these meninges, a fluid felt. This fluid is called cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid. It is also protect the brain and spinal cord. Within the spinal cord, butterfly-like structures. This is called butterfly-like structures. It is called gray matter, and outwardly present a white matter. The dorsal root of the gray matter arises sensory nerves, and ventral root of the gray matter arise the motor nerves. These nerves comes to the spinal nerves. I means the spinal nerve is a mixed nerve, because this nerve having the sensory nerve neurons and motor neurons. This is in the center of the spinal cord. A hole also presents. This hole is called neurocele. Within the neurocele, spinal nerves goes to the body organ of different body organs. This is spinal cord, and spinal cord having the reflex arc. This is called reflex arc because of the function of reflex action. If the effect of the skin means suddenly कोई भी व्यक्ति यदि सडनली अचानक बिना जान में पिन कोई हमारे हाथ में चुभो दे तो हमारा हाथ क्या होता है, हट जाता है. तो ये मैकेनिज्म ये कैसे मैकेनिज्म होती है. तो दिस इज ए स्किन इज a sense organ. In this place, pin is penetrate. In this place, the sensory nerves carry the stimuli of the spinal cord into the gray matter. अब हाथ हटना है तो this impulses carry the motor nerve into the muscles where the effect occurs. Then our hand is quickly out. So this is called spine reflex arc. So this is sensory organs. To the sensory organ skin carry the stimuli, sensory neurons into the spinal nerve. कहाँ ले गई? Spinal cord. Then carry the impulses of the motor neuron into the muscles effector. जहाँ पर muscles का effect हुआ वहाँ पर वो ले आई और हाथ suddenly हट गया. तो this is called reflex arc. And comes upon the what is reflex action? The suddenly अचानक होने वाले sudden response of the body external stimuli. In these response the brain is not directly involved. Therefore these are carried out by the spinal cord only with the help of reflex arc. This is called reflex actions. Reflex actions are three types: innate reflex action and habitual reflex action and conditional reflex action. Innate reflex actions are those reflex actions which are inherit one generation to other generation. अपने आप स्वयं होते हैं, inherit होते हैं, such as blinking of eyes, sneezing, coughing. These are reflex action, innate reflex action. These are inherited. इनको कोई सिखाता नहीं, अपने आप चल जाते हैं. But in a habitual reflex action, these are learned by the human in previously when it is the human perfect the condition of which are he learned that turned into the reflex action, such as cycling, typing, swimming, walking. This is reflex action. जब हम साइकिल चलाना सीखते हैं तो पूरा ब्रेन लगता है, दैट इज टाइम, दैट इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. लेकिन जब हम परफेक्ट हो जाते हैं, हैबिचुअल हो जाते हैं, तो साइकिल अपने आप चलती है, पैडल चलते रहते हैं और सोचते कहीं दूसरी जगह. उस वक्त ब्रेन की आवश्यकता नहीं होती. और पीछे से अगर कोई ट्रक आ गया, उसने हॉर्न बजा दिया, तो अपने आप ब्रेक लग करके साइड हो जाती है. तो दिस इज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन, सच एज टाइप राइटिंग. ऑल्सो वॉकिंग, चल रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं दूसरी जगह. तो दिस इज हैबिचुअल रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. एंड थर्ड टाइप ऑफ reflex action is a conditional reflex action. These reflex actions are automatically occurred, such as salivation. जब हम कोई चीज खट्टी या मीठी जो हमें लाइक है उसको देख लेते हैं तो सलाइवा अपने आप निकलने लगती है. तो सलाइवेशन is automatically released from the salivary glands, so it is conditional reflex actions. So these are reflex actions. Okay, that's all.